We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road. It's a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All the day I walk goes on the tear and the other face tough time.
That's all you know.
Just hold up your weight and a nothing for a giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness not elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say never the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life with no regret. The ladder of success will feature. Life prison door give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
Look at the screen in front of you. Now, that's Shotty Mark. And I got the drop on him. And I'm gonna talk about him. Just to refresh you know, remember now, he was part of the hit team that got rid of Mr. WONG. Well, I know where he's at, and I know what he's doing, and I'm gonna give some intimate details about this youth right here, so. One of the most notorious youth them that ever come out of Jamaica. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Look at the screen in front of you. That's the youth there, Shotty Mark, from out of Western Kingston. Now, him did involve in the thing with Mr. WONG, cause he was part of the Slapway squad. We go and get rid of Mr. WONG. Now, me hear say the man them send call him cause a incident go on, and him tell the man them say him a come. But while him tell them say him a come, at airport him go and blow go America. And me hear say the man them retaliate to some of him family member. Me not too sure, but me hear say the man them pissed off. So me know where him there, and me know where him a do, and we have a talk about it. Now, I heard that you come back, but you're up the street, and you're chilling in that Lexus. Everybody remember the Lexus? What the Lexus look like? Let me show you what the Lexus look like. Shotty Mark. Shotty Mark, Shotty Mark. Me hear say y'all try come back round there now. And me hear say you dey back in the Lexus. Now, me don't tell you now, the FBI them have your info. But you see, since you're not listening to me, and you might think I am joking with you, after all the people them where you kill my youth, you think I am playing with you. Well, me have another surprise for you. Watch this. Now me hear say he moved the car up the street, and you're going back and forth in it, and you're trying to keep a low profile. Now, Shotty Mark, I am not joking with you, you know. Look at the screen right there. Like I said, I have contacted the FBI about you. I am waiting for the agent in charge of the New York Major Crime Unit in the field office. Once I get a hold of that guy, he's gonna be the guy who is coming to pay you a straight up visit, or that's the crew. So you might think that you're gonna get away with all of this thing. I don't tell you. But like I said earlier, I got a second surprise for you that I'm gonna probably give a little bit of hint, but yo, let me tell you something. The full brunt of the law is on you. Yo, my youth, you use one step from being a terrorist, because if you were cross that threshold, the CIA would have been pick you up. You understand? But me dep on your case, and me I tell you, stay off of the corner de my youth. If you want stay out of blood clot prison, you understand, or go back to Jamaica, you understand. You know for there, nowhere around there, so we not for see you nowhere. Round there, so a my own, a countryman own. You understand, and that me I tell you, you know. You think I joke, me I joke with you. I just true, me no want disclose certain things, you know, when me have planned for you know. Now, you have Gloria, she come back out there and I terrorize the people them. Now, the New York motor vehicle DOJ is gonna get involved in her situation, you know, because since the 43rd precinct knows all of this and they're not doing anything about it, I am gonna contact the New York Transportation Department, the Roads Department, and I am gonna lodge an official complaint. I'm gonna also complain to the mayor of New York about Shotty Mark and about Gloria. Now, I am using everything in the book. I'm throwing all the book at them. And listen, I don't want nobody come say, oh, countryman is this, countryman is that. Listen, I believe like this. You're not gonna kill my family and do certain things and walk around free for the rest of your life. You understand? No, it no work like that in my book. You understand? So me, I go use everything in my power to get rid of Shotty Mark and to get rid of Gloria from off of the block. They call them come in like some pests. You understand? They'll disappear for a little bit. You understand? Now, I want the girls them, the young women them who's dealing with Shotty Mark. I'm warning you all. The feds is onto him. Other people is onto him. You understand? Other agency is onto him. And if y'all want to get caught up in that situation with Mark Dinal from Garden, well, him come from Rosetown, and then no Rosetown, him come from Western Kingston, and then him go to Garden, and then him 2-time the guard man them. You understand? Listen, the guard man them a look for you too, Shotty Mark, if you never know that. You understand? Enough things you do, you know. All your own a cousin I look for you know. Me know all of them things there, you know. Now, look at the screen in front of you. That's where me used to live. But Gloria, she still live around there, as well as she staying at the church. You understand? So, me have the whole area under surveillance, you know. You understand? But me nah work with the 43rd precinct them. Me I work with some different boy. And you see them boy we are gonna come for your Shotty Mark. You think them are gonna play with you. Now, me here say, now you're back in the Lexus up the street. And Gloria up on the hunt. But me not gonna make this a big blah blah blah, you know. Me just a warn you, and me I tell you say me have a surprise for you. The only thing me I will tell you, just know say you're gonna be on TV, and that's all me I will tell you, Shotty Mark. You understand? And Gloria, you too, baby, because you keep on muscling the people them for pay you for parking, and it's a free government road. So more I know if you is the road minister for New York City, me I go fix all of that. I'm a dead serious over my dead body, yo, and that's how I feel about this. So Shotty Mark, you get another warning. And like me tell you, the feds them have your info, you know. Titty man them a wait for you at Jamaica. Enough of the guard man them I look for you. You understand? Now, before me go, you remember the first video when I do on him? Him used to wear makeup. Cause him eyebrow them grey now. And him have grey beard and them thing there. So when him do now, him start make the grey show. So him a try hide in disguise. You understand? So me know everything we you do, my youth. And me I tell you can go on Jim Screechy and bob and weave, but I am on your case. And believe me, I have to get rid of you off of Stratford Avenue, my youth. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video.